Hi, my name is Yingzhen Li, and I'm one of the program co-chairs for AISTATS 2024. AISTATS is actually a very unique conference that it is working on the theory side of AI, machine learning, and statistics. Although we said we are medium size, but it is actually quite big size compared to some other fields, academic conferences. We have around 1,000 people, right? And also quite a lot of people are coming from, Europe and also US. So we need to actually find a conference center that can actually host, 1,000 people basically in the same room for these scientific presentations, and that is also one of the reasons why we choose Valencia Conference Centre. The communication with the organizing team at the conference center is actually quite good, right? So we have a lot of help from the workers there in terms of arranging the audio-visual thing, and also helping us to arrange other things that we need, for example, the chairs for the panel session. Valencia is such a nice city, right? We have very nice weather, and also it's close to the seaside, and I guess also people also enjoy Spanish food.